Puppy for Hire, Day 7 of the Brooklyn Experience. Need a helping hand around the house? Brooklyn might be just the puppy for you. She has such a servant's heart. She loves to help with doing dishes. She's so helpful. And doing the laundry. She's learning how to clean the pool. What a trooper. She loves helping pick up the yard of debris. And she is really an expert at sweeping out the dust bunnies from under the couch. She loves helping wipe up accidents. They might have been her own accidents, but we won't talk about that. She's learning how to work with a broom, and she's mopping. Well, let's say she's a work in progress. She loves chasing the mop. And she is learning how to vacuum. Well, she's getting there. But pretty soon she'll be vacuuming. She's a bundle of sweetness, joy, laughter, and love. And I'm just kidding about hiring her out. She's too busy cleaning up her own house. Bye-bye.